Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about a book you have never read but would like to in the future. You should say why you would like to read it, why you have never read it before.
One book that has been on my to-read list for quite some time now is The Nightingale. I am particularly drawn to this book because it is a historical fiction novel set in France during World War II. I am always intrigued by stories set during this time period, as I find it fascinating to learn about the experiences of individuals and communities during such a tumultuous and transformative era. Additionally, I have heard nothing but glowing reviews about The Nightingale from friends, family, and online book communities. Many have praised the author's ability to capture the emotions and struggles of the characters, as well as the vivid and detailed descriptions of the setting and time period. Despite my desire to read this book, I have not yet had the opportunity to do so. As a busy college student, my reading time is often limited to textbooks and academic articles. Additionally, there are always new books being published that catch my eye, which means that The Nightingale has unfortunately fallen to the bottom of my reading list. However, I am confident that I will eventually make time for this book, as it has remained a constant fixture on my to-read list for several years now. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.